It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding, Martin Harding, Mazzotti on the phone, on the horn.
Good.
Hi, Paul.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
So this is interesting, and I totally had forgotten about the guy who drowned in Demi Moore's pool.
Yeah, it's been a while.
But his family, tell me if I get this straight, is suing Demi Moore because he was at her pool. She was not there.
Right.
He tripped on a rock, fell into the pool, couldn't swim, and drowned. Did I get that right?
Yeah, that does summarize the facts as I know them. The allegation is that the rock was placed too close to the pool and maybe not open and obvious, and he tripped and went in.
God.
And so that seems to be the case.
What was he doing there?
Well, I guess he's friends with her staff person. She wasn't there. Her children were not there, and they were just throwing a party when when Demi was away.
I think she's all right with it, too. I feel like she lets him party, doesn't she? That's what I got from the TMZ story, at least.
Yeah.
But, this guy tripped on a rock and can't swim. And I don't know. I mean, she's got to be responsible if she's not there, right?
Well, it doesn't quite work like that. I mean, the general theme is this. I mean, you got to keep things reasonable.
I got a pool guy right here.
And safe, and it's you got to keep things safe. And if there's a landscaping issue and this rock is too close to the pool, I mean, potentially there's some liability, or potentially it was open and obvious, and this guy just didn't see it and fell in the pool, and there will be no claim. So, no, it does require you got to show showing of negligence, showing of a problem. The fact that he fell in the pool alone in Demi Moore's pool does not bring about a successful claim.
I look. It's obviously unfortunate,
Was he
but
drunk?
I
Was he
feel like
messed
this
up?
is one of those lawsuits that is kind of frivolous here. It's not like she was required to have a gate around her pool and she didn't, and a child walked
Not
in
a small
there.
child.
It's much different.
So you're saying
Feels like a
she
stretch.
shouldn't?
No way.
She let people that work there have a party at her house.
So she's
she's
responsible for every rock and stump that's in her yard.
I mean, her name's on the deed. I don't know how that works, Paul. Is that her responsibility?
Yeah, probably you'd have to show she did something wrong. The fact that you have a party at your house and the fact that somebody drowns in and of itself, although a tragedy, isn't a claim. In this case, again, the allegation is that, and again, maybe it's a lighting issue. Maybe it's there at night. We don't know that. And maybe the lights go out at night, and if there's a party, you can't turn the lights out at night, right? Because someone could then trip and fall into the pool. So the facts will kind of win or lose the day here. Okay. But on its face, it's definitely a difficult case. The family, and allegedly this guy, he was a teetotaler. They said that he never drank, so there's not an alcohol or that sort of over-serving approach to this party. Tragedy, and I think the parents want answers, and then they get answers sometimes in the form of a lawsuit, although there may not be a successful case here.
And then on a side note, you called it. You said the Cosby trial would be quick. It was even less than 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Really quick.
Yeah, I guess they just kind of wanted to get pointed information in. They wanted the jury to kind of hear some of the as they perceive to be the worst testimony, and not spend too much time with Bill in the room, because he does look like he is 2 steps away from the grave himself,
right.
So he doesn't look healthy, and there's going to be that sympathy factor, him being Bill Cosby, et cetera. So, yeah, they wanted the shock value of what happened, and now we're on day 2 of deliberations today, I guess.
I'm going to go on the record as saying he's getting off, and I thought day 1, right out of the gate, Cosby's attorneys did a great job of discrediting the witness.
Will I ever be able to listen to Bill Cosby tell me he's going to smack me in my whole face and enjoy it again? I was just thinking about that the other day. We got a 30-minute interview, raw interview with Bill Cosby that, frankly, we can't listen to anymore because it's disgusting to think. Yeah.
No, I mean, the testimony was absolutely horrifying. That went in, and I think that they're going to. I think the jury's really going to wrestle with this. Again, I don't think they're just going to come back and find a no cause. And
they asked to see the footage again, or the testimony, some of the testimony again.
So what's the rule, Paul? Like, if it's a long deliberation, who does that normally benefit?
Sure. The longer deliberation, it benefits the defendant, in this case, Bill Cosby. Okay. So if this thing goes on for 3 or 4 or 5 days, and it is clear that there is somebody or a group of people sitting in the jury box who are saying they do not want to find him guilty.
Interesting.
Right.
Okay.
Well, we'll find out.
All right.
Yep. Okay, guys.
1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Just our buddy Paul Harding right here from Martin Harding Mazzotti. Right here from